Dawn-dusk control is an important comfort function for the intelligent control of sun shading systems. When values are properly set, users obtain the desired level of visual privacy for the corresponding light conditions. This function requires a brightness sensor. Normally, the same sensor that is installed for sun control is also used in this case. To better understand how this function works, imagine a graph showing the time of day on the x-axis and the brightness on the y-axis. The progression of daylight produces a brightness curve on this graph. In our control systems, we insert two limit values into this curve, the dawn limit and the dusk limit. To demonstrate how this works, let's add an external Venetian blind and increase the brightness to the dawn limit. If the set dawn limit, 100 lux in our example, is reached, the external Venetian blind is raised. As we approach noon, the brightness continues to increase before passing its zenith and then decreasing again during the afternoon. If the brightness value reaches and then falls below the set dusk limit of 50 lux, the connected sun shading products are lowered. This cycle is repeated daily. As an option, dawn-dusk control includes for each day of the week 2 extra windows of time for additional time-controlled activation of the dawn and dusk move commands during the daily cycle. For a more detailed explanation of this function, we'll place times on the x-axis which represent the course of the day and then add these 2 windows of time. The 2 enable times are freely selectable and can be adjusted as desired by the customer. The dawn disable time is set by the system to 12 noon, and the dusk disable time to midnight. What do we gain by using these 2 windows of time? To explain, let's once again increase the brightness to the dawn limit. Since this limit value is still earlier than our dawn enable time, no move command is triggered. The external Venetian blind remains closed, and the users are not disturbed. This prevents a situation where the sun shading products are raised too early in the summer months if the dawn limit is already exceeded by 4 AM, for example. The brightness keeps increasing until the dawn enable time is reached. Only then are the connected sun shading products raised. For the evenings, control can also be configured as a function of brightness and time. If the dusk limit lies within the active window of time and the value falls below the limit, the connected sun shading products are lowered.